We're here with Chance. We're doing two things today. We're grabbing some temporary wheels from Mariah's because Nifty buildz slacking big time. And then since by the time this video is out, I got my wheels hopefully, and fuck you, Nifty. And then Chance blew up his TL yesterday. Clip right here when it happened. I was kidding, there's no clip. But
yeah, you have a clip, don't you?
I wish I had a clip.
To record the exhaust, you pulled it out. You pulled that up.
Yeah,
right.
but not close to you blowing up your engine.
Oh no.
So yeah, he blew up his TL, the one that we were gonna fix, but we're gonna look for a TL today.
Racing the slowest SI.
On the way to San Jose, 3-hour trip. The slowest SI. All right.
Man.
No luck with Chance.
Yeah.
We couldn't get a car today. They all liked it.
Don't get that down. Don't get that.
Get this in here. Get this in here. What are you repping?
And then we picked up Mariah's wheels.
Oh no, he is repping something.
We actually went with the Graham lights, something light, until we get it. We're gonna put them on right now and take a look. Sheesh. It's Graham lights 5x120, 19 by 9.5 with a positive 45 offset. So yeah, let's put these on. All right, our wheels are on. They look so damn good. I'm not gonna record it already, but look good. I'll show you guys more in the daytime. If anything, next we gotta get the side skirt still painted. We'll do that soon, but wheels are dope. Mariah's in my dad's car. The daylight. Oof. Looks good. And the wheels. Oh, that looks good. Grams, 19-inch.
Has my brother's cat.
Alright, we're doing the valve adjustment on Mariah's car. And we're going to take off the manifold. So you don't need to see this part, but we're going to do the valve adjustment. So we're going to pull off the manifold, covers, everything that's going to be in the way. We're going to take the throttle body off. You don't have to unplug everything. And then, yeah, we'll let you know if we get it more in there. Alright, we got the valve manifold off and valve covers off. 4Gen's not too bad. The rear valve cover is a little bit hard. We might paint it. We'll see while we have it off. But also got Eddie over here.
And that's it.
Yeah, 12. You can't really see.
That one right there? Oh, okay.
But yeah, we got Eddie here. Next, we're gonna take off the wheel, jack it up. We're gonna jack it up anyway when we do the water pump because we're doing the water pump also. So we're gonna jack it up to get to the crank pulley so we can start moving the valves. All right, you already got it out? Yeah. All right, so right now we got this hole right here. Chance was telling me that this is where you're gonna stick your socket in. And what size or no size at all? It's just a half inch.
No, it's a 19.
Oh, it's a 19. All right.
Should be on the gun already.
Different 19. Yeah, give me the big one. So we're gonna stick a 19mm in there, and that's what's gonna rotate. Because you see, that's where your crank pulley is. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's what you mean now. Let's stick it in there. Right there, you can feel it locked on. And I'm gonna go here. Should we go one more little bit extension or nah?
No, you're good.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do next?
You're gonna crank it until this up here, looking in this little hole, meets a number, and whatever number lines up, that's the cylinder that you're gonna adjust. Let me see which way you're going. You want to crank it Yeah, there you go. See that line right there? Coming up. Oh, you passed it, so go back a little bit. Just a little bit. A little right. Okay.
Ooh, a little bit more forward, huh? Just a tiny bit.
Well, you got to look straight at it. I can't see.
I can see it a little bit.
You want to get it dead
Right?
on.
That looks pretty much dead on to me.
Yep, that's dead on. So what's the number above that?
So we're doing 5. Cylinder,
so cylinder
5.
5, which should be right here in the middle.
So let's just show them real quick. So for the number, the orientation of it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Is that how it goes?
Yep, it should be.
1, 2, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to do 5 right here. And that's the valve adjustment we're going to do. So we're going to do intake and exhaust, right? Yeah, so you can see right here. Boom. So we're doing number 5, which would be this one. And we're going to be measuring these two, right?
Yep, and if you can tell right now, they should be loose.
Yeah, as you hear it, that's why TLs are common ticking, because it's not horrible, but it just needs a valve adjustment. Just get your valve adjusted. Hit us up at Mythic Customs. If you're local to the 559 area, we'll get this done.
Intake.
Mm-hmm.
Marked as intake. This is intake, because it's closer to the intake. Duh. And then exhaust valves are down here, closer to the exhaust. So, what you're going to do is, right here, you're going to slide it in there. That's super loose. You stick the whole thing in there.
All right. Now, what do we got to do now?
All right, hold this. Let me get you the. It's already in this one. You're gonna leave it in there. You're gonna come over here.
You adjust that one. Tell me how it feels, and then I'll try to adjust it to that one. You know what I mean? Like,
Yep. Okay. You stick this here.
So the point of the tan is just to hold it.
It's just a locker,
Yeah.
and you want to keep it there. So, and make sure you're not pushing. You're pushing, you get the wrong adjustment. So, super loose. Feel it grab a little bit. Okay, grab too much. Right there, leave it there. Loosen a little bit like this. Come back, because when you tighten, it's gonna tighten that as well. Over here. Feel that drag that it has.
Yep. You can actually feel.
There should be a slight drag.
It's the only thing we can't show you guys is just the feel, but this is now like it can't go in past that one part now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It can't go past like the less. I don't know how to explain it,
You
but
don't always get it first try, but I've done about 4 of these this week, so
yeah.
it's the only reason I was able to get it.
So now that feels better.
So leave it there.
My bad. Okay.
Cool. Now let Mr. Eddie come fill it. I'm sure you
Appreciate the chance.
Yeah, of course. In there.
Okay, so I have that.
You feel that slight drag?
Yeah.
Did he feel it before or no?
No, he's here. I got him for that though. Look.
See loose? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's supposed
And
to be
it's
flat.
only supposed to go into this little section. See that line right there?
Uh-huh.
If you can come over here, it's beyond loose.
Is
this
it?
is thick. This
Oh,
is
it's,
super
it's more
thin.
thinner? Oh, okay, okay.
So stick that on there.
Stick this under there first.
Yeah. And you know you're not doing something right when it doesn't go in like butter. It's just not flat. There you go. Perfect. You just leave it there. It's gonna move once you hit it. Break that loose. And it's not easy, so.
So can you tell if the car needs one?
I can hear when a car needs one, but this is.
But anytime you hear that
Yours is
ticking,
actually worse than
This one's worse.
whose car was. Yeah, your car had a tick, but with how loose that was worse than whose did I do the day before yesterday? Francisco's, and he was getting 14 miles per hour.
Alright, so I got it loose. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to adjust it and see if Chance approves it.
Yeah, you already messed up, my boy. When you leave the wrench on there, because you want to be able to tighten it with it on there. So make sure that this is at the point of tightening, right there. You're gonna do it about maybe 4 or 5 times before you get it right. Trust me, I had to do the same.
So if you were to do this wrong, it could fuck up your car, or not?
It won't fuck it up, but you'll either have really poor fuel mileage, like the exhaust side. So intake sides always go loose, and exhaust sides always go tight. So if you're too tight up here, too loose down here, your fuel mileage drops, and you're definitely gonna hear something. You're gonna hear a noise. But you can't go wrong with the feeler gauge.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna double check every time once he's done with everything. I'm gonna double check it. But yeah, we'll check when we're done, see what your fuel mileage is, and then we'll reset it and guarantee it's gonna go up 2-3 miles per gallon.
All right, guys, it's gonna take me a while to get this, but it's still.
Everybody else has been jumping at 5.
All right, guys. That way I can show you. Easy one. So I'm about done. I learned a lot how to do it. I'm already on the last one now. I'm on day 3 just because I've been taking my time. But you can see we're on cylinder 2. I just have it bank 1, tank 2, everything. This is where the front cat is, and then back. So we're gonna go ahead and we're on the last one at 2, which you read right there. Let me show you guys if I can see it. It's hard to tell, but if you look in there, you'll see we're on cylinder 2. And the only reason why you want to do it is because over time, it is recommended to do a valve adjustment after so many miles into your car, your engine. But look at right here. So we're doing 2, and look at, it's not supposed to go past the first step right here. It's supposed to be right here and stop. And with a slight drag, look at this one goes all the way past it. So we know we need to adjust it. So you guys already know what we do is just we break down the nut. We use a flathead, get into it, feel the drag, and that's it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fix that, and I'll show you guys right after. And this is just me by myself now. I'm doing this. All right, so update. So we finished the valve adjustment. We started it before we did anything else, and it's fine. We got that. We actually painted the valve top for the top plate. If you look at there, it's actually
This one's wet.
So it's gonna look like the wrinkle black valve cover, just like that. Actually, it looks like that. So right now we are working on the timing belt kit, and I'm not gonna show you guys. It's probably online, but we are now in the middle of moving it. We have everything on the top dead center. If you look, yeah, top dead center, and we took the belt off and all that. So we're using the best AutoZone kit they have, which is that. Just because I get a discount on it is the only reason why. Or else I will go OEM, but good. And he barely drives it, so we'll be fine. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated once we get more stuff on.
I forgot.
Mr. Laz getting his banners.
Yep, taking all of them, boy.
What do you got
You already
there?
know.
We got
Minted Customs, After Dark,
After Dark.
and 4 fucking whatchamacallits, and the strip.
What are they going on?
My TL, boy, you already know.
Oh, okay.
Coming
What kind of
back,
tail you
boy,
got?
coming back.
Kind of tail you got?
Type slow.
Type slow.
Yeah.
All right, he's got what I got.
After Dark gave us.
Yeah, that shit's already gone because Lies then came and wrecked it, you know?
Oh,
No more left, there's no more left.
there's a lot. There's a lot.
I don't know, boy, I'm gonna
And if anybody wants some, we can order some and mail them out to you.
Alright,
What's up, guys? We are here still. Maybe I might die, but we are still working on this. So timer belt is done completely. Everything's put back together. We started it, so far so good. And if you check time in, you know, and all that. So everything's good on there. I just did the oil change. Right now we're doing the coolant flush. And over here, since I just love to keep things on stock, we have everything we need: oil changes, coolant, everything, manual and automatic transmission fluid. So we got these for Mariah. We might need like 3 quarts. We'll see whatever drains out. We're just gonna measure it and put it in. But yeah, this is what we're doing. Automatic transmission fluid. You guys are doing a 4-gen. I'll show you guys where this bolt is. This is the top fill bolt. It's in a weird spot. So you come over here, you can see it. This shiny thing down there. It's actually in between these two. hoses. I just popped it off the little clip right there and right there. And then for the drain, it's just right there for the drain. So letting it drain out until it slows down a little bit, and then I'm just gonna measure. I'm gonna put like 2 quarts and measure how much we have. Whatever drained out, I'm gonna put exactly in it. That's what I'm doing. But yeah.